So I'm outside the Rudding Park Hotel in Harrogate for Yorkshire's biggest spectacular night of the year, the Firecracker Ball. This is a charity ball for Barnardos, and as it's the 150 years of Barnardos, tonight is going to be super spectacular. I'm lucky enough to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly what goes on. So I'm here with Kirsty Guy, who is the relationship manager for Barnardos, and you're the lead on this Firecracker event.
I am, yes. I organise the event with the committee on behalf of Barnardos.
Yay. So Kirsty, what does this Firecracker Ball mean to Barnardos?
Well, this is our largest single fundraising event that we have for Barnardos every year, which is just phenomenal. And to have the number of people that we have come to this event in support of all the young people that we're working with is just tremendous, and it's always a really special moment for me when we have someone sharing their experiences of how Barnardos has changed their life, and seeing the reaction of 700 people in the room is just amazing. I've been working with the event since 2003. When I first joined Barnardos, I came a couple of years as a volunteer and then took over the organising in 2005.
Started off as a volunteer. You do have a fabulous set of volunteers here today.
I do, and they really make such a difference. We've got a team of about 30 volunteers who come and help during the day in organising the goodie bags, setting up the auctions, getting everything ready, and then of course they come and they help take the donations from people for the games and things during the evening. We couldn't do this without them. They are just superb, and I'm very grateful to everyone, both the people who work for Barnardos and friends and family who have come to know and love this event as their own over the years.
Awesome, thank you very much. Hi, I'm here with Mr. Phil Taylor. He is...
I'm the Vice President of Barnardos and the Chairman of the Firecracker Ball Committee.
This event for Barnardos has been going on for 15 years now. How much money have you raised?
We've raised just over £2.2 million in the 15 years we've supported Barnardos.
Awesome. Oh
Thank you.
Can you remember the very first one?
I can. There were about 600 at the first one that I was chairman of. And in the very early years, when it first started 30 years ago for the NSPCC, we had about 200 people there, so it's more than trebled in size since then.
This year's theme is?
It's CIRCUS. We're in the big top tonight. Very exciting. Sadly, they won't let me have a live lion for health and safety reasons. Health and safety's gone mad. I don't know why we can't have a lion. There we go.
And who comes up with the theme?
We have a fantastic theming company that we work with called the Angels, based in Harrogate, and they put a proposal forward at the beginning of the year and firm up the budget, depending on how many people we've got attending and how much sponsorship we can get from our sponsors, who this year are Evans Property Group of Leeds and UBS Wealth Management.
I hear we've got an absolutely spectacular act on tonight.
We have a group of wonderful ladies called All Saints playing live tonight, so
brilliant. I was a massive fan of theirs. So.
Me too.
Yeah, awesome. I'm so excited for tonight. Are you excited? Are you nervous?
I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm apprehensive. We're going to try and smash last year's target.
Okay, I'm right in the thick of it. As you can see, the stage is behind me. Excuse the fact that I've only got half my makeup and half my hair done. But we're just about to see All Saints do their sound check. I'm excited. So that's it. I'm just leaving my room now. I'm all glammed up. Hopefully you approve. So let's go and check out the Firecracker Ball and everyone in their glam. Are we ready to party?
Just about.
Take a ride, turn it all around, and make today nothing like before. The best day ever seen. The world decides. Just open up your eyes and come alive. The sun is gonna rise and shine so bright.
Can I get you a glass of bubbly?
Is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Now the sun, the sky, the stars will meet you where they are.
Into!
I feel so alive, yeah. I'm happy head to toe.
What do you think, guys?
Amazing.
What you expected?
Those clouds.
What do you think, guys? Brilliant. What you expecting? Something like this.
Let the music play. Now we've just begun.
Amazing. Is it what you expected?
They're all coming behind you.
Cause these are the best days. These are the best days. These are the best days of our lives.
Happy?
I think so. The marquee looks splendid. We're ready for a cracking night. We're going to make £280,000 at least.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Bring it on, Barnardos.
So follow if you're dead.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Shine so bright. Cause these are the best days. These are the best days.
So, ladies, what do you think?
Fantastic. Great. Yeah.
Of our lives. Of our lives. Yeah. Oh, can you feel the spotlight shining on down? Yeah, it's alright. Live in the moment and find your place in this world. Every boy, every girl, yeah. Follow your dreams, let them lead, let them guide. All you do, let them see you through.
And from Barnardos, who's absolutely fantastic, Kirsty and Phil.
We've supported 6,500 of the very most vulnerable children that we have in the region.
Ladies and gentlemen, for me, one of the best parts of working with Barnardos and Firecracker is being able to visit some of the services we provide within Yorkshire. Clearly, with a number of these services not being accessible to public visits. Thank you very much for attending, and I hope you're all broke when you go home. Thank you. Well, Kirsty, thank you very much.
These are the best days. Oh, these are the best days. These are the best days.
So, Antoinette, how did you find the booth this evening so far? You've just had the starter. Delicious. Ooh, what was it? Ham hot. Oh, I can't wait to start mine.
Of our lives. Everywhere I go, I feel
I've been watching you and I know you like to party, baby. And you know that sounds really good to me.
clouds away. I can feel the sun. Yeah. Let the music play. Now we've just begun. I'm ready. These are the best days. feels so right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So follow it, so alive. Yeah, I'm happy here to cause these are the best days. These are the best days. These are the best days of our lives, of our lives, yeah.
Very proud indeed.
Live in the moment and find your place in this world.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, tables are getting empty, people are clearing up. It's been absolutely fantastic. Well done to Phil and his team for an awesome, awesome night. And hopefully, we'll find out, hopefully we've made lots of money for Barnardos. Good night. So Kirsty, I would like to say I've had an absolutely awesome time.
Excellent.
Have you?
I have. Yeah, it's been a really, really good night.
It's been awesome, hasn't it?
Yeah,
Oh
really
my God.
good.
And have we done well, or do we not know until tomorrow?
I think we've done very well. We know we have raised more than 270,000 at this point. We will confirm.
Thank you, everybody. Oh,
You're fab.
Oh, it's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And so are you.